SBA Publications.
Hello, my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy in your home, and I hope you all are doing very well in your studies as well. This is Amanda Sunisati, and today with me we are going to start our chapter number 9, and the name of our chapter is Using List and Creating a Table. But where? So, in previous class we learned about so many tags and HTML language. In today's class we are going to continue that part, and we are going to learn how to create lists and a table in HTML. So let's do the same without any delay. So see here we have, in this chapter we will learn how to create a list, definition list, nested list, block code, how to create tables to create empty cells in a table. So these all are the small concept of this chapter. As usual, we are beginning with our introduction part. List is used to arrange text in a linear and structured form. लिस्ट हम क्यों यूज करते हैं? ताकि हम अपने डेटा को, अपने कंटेंट को हम एक अरेंज फॉर्म में और एक लीनियर स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म में अरेंज कर सकें. ओके, A list is a great way of organizing data on your website. जो लिस्ट है वो एक बहुत ही अच्छा तरीका है ताकि आप अपने डेटा को वेबसाइट पे रिप्रेजेंट करें. इट कैन बी डिफाइंड इन डिफरेंट स्टाइल. उसे हम बहुत डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स में डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. Several types of list elements are supported by HTML. HTML में काफ़ी सारे types of list element हैं जो support होते हैं. These list elements are included within body of document. ये जो list element है ये document की body के within ही है. आपको बाहर से कहीं से कुछ apply नहीं करना है. Okay? But these elements can be nested. Here, what means nested? So see here. One set of elements can be embedded within another. For example, formula के अंदर formula. Okay, so that is nested. आपके पास एक एलिमेंट के अंदर दूसरा एलिमेंट का embedded होना. Okay, so how to create a list? When you need to display data in the form of points, then list has to be created. जब भी आपको points की फॉर्म में एक अच्छे मैनर में आपको जो अपना डेटा डिस्प्ले करना है, so we use list. This tag is used to create a list. Here li tag is used to create a list. li जो tag है इससे हम list को create करते हैं, which is an empty tag. HTML supports many type of list. HTML में बहुत types की list को हम support होते हैं. In most cases, we use two types of list in HTML, that is unordered and ordered list. So let's understand both of them. Unordered list tag. The order of list is not specified. यहाँ पे जो order होता है list का वो specified नहीं होता है in the unordered list. Okay? By default, bullets are used to highlight the points. यहाँ पे by default क्या होता है? Bullets होते हैं. Bullets like point kind of structure जो points को highlight करते हैं. The UL and UL close tag are used to enclose the list in between them. और यहाँ पे unordered list के लिए हम UL opening and UL close को use करते हैं. ये दो tags हैं. Okay? So the list items are listed with LI और लिस्टेड आइटम्स जो भी हमें आइटम्स लिस्ट में रखने हैं वो सारे रिप्रेजेंट होंगे li से. सो सी हियर अगेन HTML हेड, टाइटल, हेड क्लोज, बॉडी, सेंटर, ये सब तो हमें पहले से ही पता है. नाउ स्टार्टिंग लिस्ट. हियर देन लिस्ट ओपनिंग टैग, देन लिस्ट आइटम 1 2 3 4, देन लिस्ट क्लोजिंग टैग. ओके, नाउ सी हियर. As a result, it will display as this: apple, pineapple, orange, banana, name of fruits. So name of fruits, and this is the list. This is known as unordered list. But what about ordered list? So the ordered list is used to display the list of items in a specific order. For example, 1 2 3 4. Okay. An ordered list indent and numbers each item in the list. ऑर्डर लिस्ट में जो भी हमारी चीजें होती हैं वो एक नंबर से इंडेंटेड होती हैं. इंडेंटेड मीन्स जो हमारी यहाँ पे सीरीज होती है. ओके, नाउ बाय डिफॉल्ट नंबर्स आर डिस्प्लेड इन अ वेब ब्राउजर व्हेन एन ऑर्डर लिस्ट इज यूज्ड. बाय डिफॉल्ट क्या होता है, जब हमारे आइटम्स हम डालते हैं, ओके, सो हमारे जो है नंबर ही शो होते हैं लिस्ट में. ओके, हमारे जो आइटम्स है लिस्ट के उनमें नंबर से ही वो स्टार्ट होते हैं डिस्प्ले, लाइक 1 2 3. वी कैन चेंज द स्टाइल यूजिंग द टाइप एट्रीब्यूट. हम टाइप एट्रीब्यूट की हेल्प से इसे चेंज भी कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल नंबर से हम ABCD और किसी और मैनर में भी लिख सकते हैं. सी, ऑर्डर लिस्ट कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड either with numbers or alphabets or Roman numerals as well. The sequence of list items need to be in order. लेकिन आप जो भी रखेंगे वो ऑर्डर में होना चाहिए. एंड इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट इन ऑर्डर लिस्ट, और यही बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है हमारी ऑर्डर लिस्ट में. ओके, टू एट्रीब्यूट सपोर्टेड बाय ऑर्डर लिस्ट आर. ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट में हमारे टू एट्रीब्यूट सपोर्ट होते हैं. दीज आर type and start. It specifies the number or alphabet. It can be either one A, I or capital I, capital A. Okay, now start button uses start attribute. Now start attribute use as you can specify the numeric value here to which the list need to start. यहाँ पे आप ऐसी न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू देंगे, ऐसी ओपनिंग वैल्यू देंगे जिससे आपकी लिस्ट स्टार्ट होनी चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने 4 दिया, सो आंसर विल बी, और वी कैन से द अपकमिंग लिस्ट विल बी 4 then 5 then 6 then 7 then 8 and so on. Okay, so then we have syntax. So this will be OL. Okay, ordered list type 1. Okay, and then A E I O, इसमें से हम आपको जो भी आपको यूज करना है आप उसे यूज कर लेंगे. ओके, एंड देन स्टार्ट एंड देन यू हैव टू राइट अ नंबर. फॉर एग्जांपल LI is item 1, LI item 2 and so on up to LI, that is item N. Okay, you will use LI only. Okay, list item. Now this is closing tag. Now HTML, then head, then title, then head close, body, and here body close, HTML close. These are the as usual. Now see here, heading 4, fruits name, heading 4 close. Okay, and then ordered list open, type A, that means it starts, it will have the numbers like this, A, B, C, D. Okay, and type A, that means it will have the capital letters. Okay, now star will say a number and that number is represented like second number से आपके आने चाहिए. For example B, अब B से start होगा. Okay, now list item apple, list item orange and list item pineapple, then closing tags. Then we have another list. Okay, see here, this is closing tag for this list, and then heading for vegetable names, heading for close, opening type, then I, then start, then 3. So this will be थर्ड साइड से, थर्ड टाइम से. ओके, थर्ड नंबर से आपको स्टार्ट करना है, आई यूज करना है. सो इट विल बी III then 4 then 5. Okay, so this will be potato, tomato, onion are the listed items, and then closing list, and then closing body, closing HTML. And after this whole code you will get this as a result. See, fruits name BCD, that is apple, orange, pineapple, and vegetables name potato, tomato, onion, third, fourth and fifth. Now we have definition list. So let's understand what are definition list. In this list, the items are listed with description. See, sometimes when we have to buy some good, have to buy some anything from the shop, we make a list. Okay, and sometimes we also mention their description. Okay, कि ये वाला होना चाहिए. For example, I want to bring oil, so type of oil is the description of the oil. Okay, so that is about defining something, describing something. Okay, in this list the items are listed with description of each item. The DL tag is used to start a definition list. Okay, so definition list के start के लिए हम tag use करते हैं DL tag, item with DT. ओके और जो DL मतलब कि हमारी डेफिनेशन लिस्ट होगी उसमें जो हमारे आइटम्स होंगे दे विल बी रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय DT टैग एंड ईच डिस्क्रिप्शन स्टार्ट विद DD टैग ओके और हर डिस्क्रिप्शन हर एक आइटम का DD टैग से होगा ओके so let's understand here again HTML head title close head close body here we are writing here D1 okay so we are writing firstly the list name okay that is hardware now DD is the description the parts of a computer which can be seen touched are called hardware okay now DT software and DD the instruction argument to desired result are called software now D1 and D1 close okay and then we are writing here body and then HTML close okay and this will result like this hardware then the definition of hardware software and then definition of software this is commonly used while making the notes okay notes and so many kind of things now we have nested list we know what is nested list that means if we are saying newspaper okay but newspaper के भी तो बहुत सारे types होते हैं for example Hindustan Times okay so this is all about the newspaper similarly we have stationery बस स्टेशनरी में तो बहुत सारी चीजें आती है पेंसिल पेज पेन ओके सो नेस्टेड लिस्ट मींस द लिस्ट इन विच एनी अदर लिस्ट इज एम्बेडेड फॉर एग्जांपल सी द लिस्ट विद इन द मेन लिस्ट एक ऐसी लिस्ट जो मेन लिस्ट के अंदर है इंक्लूड है दैट इज नोन एज नेस्टेड लिस्ट एन ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट कैन बी नेस्टेड विद एन अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट ओके एक ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट आपकी अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट के अंदर हो सकती है ओके और एक ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट कैन बी नेस्टेड विद इन ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट ओके और एक ऑर्डर लिस्टेड के अंदर भी हो सकती है दैट मीन्स 1 2 3 4 एंड 4 के अंदर आप 1 और वी कैन से रोमन न्यूमरल्स 1 then 2 then 3 then 4 लिख सकते हैं और यू कैन ऑल्सो से लाइक these were the list and then you are writing here A, B, C, D. Okay, this is what the line is explaining. Now we have example for this. See, HTML, then head, then title, head close, body close, and these all are the your as usual tags. Now see here, ordered list. Okay, and here you are writing hardware devices of computer. Then item that is input devices. Okay, ordered list का एक item है input devices. Now we have UL. So now we are writing keyboard, mouse and microphone. This is unordered list जिसमें हमने लिखा है keyboard, mouse and microphone. See here. Then we are writing light pen as well. Okay, unordered list को close किया, ordered list को भी close किया. Okay, now new order list, printer, speaker, plotter and then closing of unordered list. Okay, now see here, hardware devices of computer, then we are writing input devices. Okay, input devices, then keyboard, mouse, microphone. See, keyboard, mouse, microphone and light pen. Okay, now second is output devices, printer, speaker and plotter. Printer, speaker and plotter. This is how we can make a nested list. Okay, now we have block quote. Now what is block quote? Sometimes we need to separate a piece of text from the rest of the text. कई बार क्या होता है हमारे पास एक piece of text है ओके जिसको हम जो नॉर्मल टेक्स्ट है उससे थोड़ा सा सेपरेट करना चाहते हैं साइड करना चाहते हैं देन ब्लॉक कोड टैग इज यूज्ड तो हम ब्लॉक कोड टैग का इस टाइम पे यूज करते हैं सी एग्जांपल HTML head then title then block code title then head body see here font face then we are writing the all about the font and this is our text okay and this is an example of block code text that is mainly our text okay now font face now times colors red tone now another text okay then block code and then font close okay now we will see that this is the example of block code text and this it is used to display quotation these are little far away these are getting separated okay we are using different name okay different font name we are using different types of font and font color as well and the size as well, and also here we are seeing that they are separated just because of block codes. Okay, now how to create a table? Again, for this we have to understand so many things, but before understanding so many things we have a small list that you people have to understand, and that you people have to always remember to create tables in HTML. See, we can display data in a tabular format by using tables. हम अपने data को tabular form में लिख सकते हैं by using the tables. Tables are used to display data in the meaningful way in the form of rows and column. जो tables हैं वो हमारा data को display करता है एक meaningful way में. Okay, it helps to display the data in the meaningful way. Now the following tags are used. See here in the form of rows and columns. Okay, so table में जो rows and columns होती हैं उन्हीं की form में हम लिखते हैं अपना data. उन्हीं में हम अपने data organize करते हैं. The following tags are used. So to create a table we have to understand these tags firstly. Table opening, table closing. It is used to create table. Now tr opening and tr close. It is used to create a row in a table. Okay, table row, table row. Now caption, caption. So it is used to create caption heading for the title of the table. Okay, it is little different from the main title. Now th and th close, that is it is used to create column heading. Okay, column heading, that is table heading as well. Now td and td, it is used to create a cell in a row. Okay, now we have table tag. Okay, so to create a table, the table tag is used. It is a container tag and has the following attributes. So what are these attributes? Align, width, border, cell padding, cell spacing, bg color, that is referred to background color, border color, height and width. So align says left, right, center. That means table can be aligned to left, right and center. Width could be in number or percentage. That means it will specify the width of table and can be a number or percentage. Border, so it will be represented by a number. It specifies the border all around the table and affects the width of border only. Cell padding, number, so it specifies the space between the data and cell. Cell padding, cell के बीच की space. Now cell spacing, number, it specifies the space between the cell, individual cells. It is in pixels. Then bg color refers to background color. It defines table's background color. Now border color, it defines color of the border. And then height, it defines the height of the table in percentage or pixel. अब आपको table की height और percentage या फिर pixel में भी आप ले सकते हो. Now width, it specifies width of table either in percentage or pixels. जो width है वो भी specify हो सकती है हमारी या तो percentage में या फिर pixels में. Now we have example. HTML, then head, then title, and these all are usual coding. Okay, after that main is in body. So table height 60%, width 60%. That means it will be in a square. Alignment should be center. That means it will be positioned in center of the web page. Now BG color, that is background color, it should be yellow and border should be 5. Cell padding should be 10 and cell padding should be 10 and cell spacing should be 10. Okay. Now TR and TR. And then again table. So TR open and TR close. Now table close and then body close, then HTML close. Now we have table row. Now table row is TR. So this tag TR is used to create rows in a table. The number of tags TR creates the number of rows in a table. So TR हमारी number of rows को बताता है. Syntax should be TR opening and TR close. Okay. The attribute is align, well-line and BG color. Align content in the cell horizontally left, right or center. And well-line is vertically top, middle or bottom. Now BG color refers to background color of the row. Then we have TD, that is table data. So this tag is used to insert data in the cell of the rows. अगर आपको cell है table में, उनमें आपको cells में rows में data enter करना है, so you will use TD, that is table data. Now attributes for this is align, align, width, height, now wrap and BG color. Now align is left, right and center. It sets the horizontal alignment of the cell content, and align is for vertical alignment. For example, top, middle and bottom. Then width should be in pixel or percentage, height should be in pixel or percentage. Then now wrap, by default word wrapping is on. By default क्या होता है, word wrapping on होता है. It turns off the word wrapping. अगर आप now wrap कर देंगे then it will turn off the word wrapping. Now BG color is background color, so it will change the background color of the cell. Now example for this is again the as usual simple coding. Okay, now here is the main thing. So first of all you will write the table appearance. Okay, then TR, that is table row, so it will be TD. Here you have to write the data, that is apple, then TD orange, then TD pineapple, then TD banana. Now again TR close, then table close, then heading 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, now table border, then we will write all the things of table. Then you have to write TR BG color pink, that is आपकी जो रो है उसका background color pink होना चाहिए. Now TD again you have to write the content. Okay, data, then close, then TR BG color yellow, then TD this and this, then TR close and table. So see here we have 1 row and 4 column. This is apple, orange, pineapple and banana. Then we have 2 rows and 3 column. So 2 rows and 3 column. Okay, and having the values. So this is how we can create table in HTML. Now we have table header, TH. So TH tag creates the table header and the first row of table becomes the table header. So आपकी टेबल की जो फर्स्ट होगी वो आपकी टेबल हेडर हो जाएगी. यहाँ पे हम क्या लिखते हैं, टेबल की हेडर लिखते हैं. हेडर कुड बी एनीथिंग. नाउ every table header help to recognize the type of data it contains by default. So by default इस डेटा में क्या क्या है उसका टाइटल या हम कह सकते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम अपना टेबल हेडर रखते हैं. Syntax should be TH opening and TH closing. Attributes are align, align, width, height, now wrap and BG color as usual that we just discussed above. Now we have example that is HTML, then head, then title, head close, body, then we are writing about the body. Okay, table border. Now TR rows, then TH roll number, TH student name and TH marks, and we know that TH is header. So the first row of the table will be named as roll number, student name and marks. Okay, then TD, the data, that is R38 Rajan Mohanty, and then center and 90. Then next R39 Ashok Behera and center. Then you have to close all the tags. So see here, roll number are R38 and R39. Student name is Rajan Mohanty and Ashok Behera, and marks are 90 and 97. This is how you will write the code, and this is how it will turns out. Now we have the caption tag. Okay, so what is caption? At the last of the table, at the last of the everything, we can pass a single comment. That is also known as caption. This tag is used to display caption of a table, either above or the below of the table. आप इसे टेबल के above भी और below भी लिख सकते हैं. Syntax will be caption opening and caption closing. Example, again HTML and head open tags, then you have to closing head tag, then opening body tag, then you have to write all the content, that is table align cell, that is table align center, cell padding 5, border 2, caption align top, then BI computer science. So it is bold plus italic, okay, and then closing these all, then caption close. Now TR align center and TD should be computer class 8, then all the closing tags. So it will result like this, okay, it will turns out this. Now we have to create empty cells in a table. अगर आपके पास जो table है उसमें आपको empty cell create करने हैं, okay, new cell को enter करना है. You can also create a table that has no cell content. आप ऐसी table बना सकते हो जिसमें कोई भी content नहीं है, okay. Example HTML head title, create table in HTML title, then head close, body, and then table border, then you have to write about the table border, then TR align, okay, row alignment, then center, TD that is data, TR, then TR align center, and then another thing, okay, another lines. So this will result in like this, okay. This is about that you can do the blank table also. You can have the blank table also in our HTML. Okay, so this is how we can do everything in HTML. We can create lists and we can create tables. We can format the table and the content of the table in our HTML by the so many different kind of amazing tags. So students, now we have the key points of this chapter. The tag, this is UL, so unordered list, and unordered list is used for unordered list, and LI is used for items. The list within the main list is called nested list. एक list के अंदर अगर दूसरी list भी है तो उसे हम कहते हैं nested list. Black quote allows you to separate a piece of text with rest of the text. So black quote क्या करता है, आपके पास एक text से दूसरे text को separate करने के लिए help करता है. To create a table, then table close is used. So table create करने के लिए आप table tag use करते हो, opening and closing as well. Now table is a combination of rows and columns, as we all know, we have learnt in Excel as well. Now TR and TR is used to create and add rows on a table. So TR is table rows. अगर आपको insert करनी है, create करनी है, so you will use TR tag. Now table data is TD. अगर आपको data लिखना है table के अंदर, enter करना है, so you will use TD. So tag is used to mark up the cell content TD, and TD close is used to add data in cells. Then we have at the last, caption tag is used to display caption of a table either above or below the table. So students, that was all about your chapter as well as the key point of this chapter. Okay, I hope each and every concept of this chapter is totally clear to you. On the behalf of the explained above chapter, you people have to do this question of this chapter. Okay, this will make you more master in this subject. So student, I hope each and every concept of this chapter is totally clear to you. If you found any query in any part of this chapter, please go once again to this video so that your concept is totally clear. Now I will meet you in the next video with another amazing chapter. Till then, keep on learning, take care, stay healthy, bye bye.